আরে তুমি ইনায়া না?
Yes, sir.
কি ব্যাপার, তোমার তো আমি দেখি সব জায়গায় ফার্স্ট হও, সেকেন্ড হও, থার্ড হও, কোথায় কোথায় তুমি প্রাইজ পেয়েছো?
Sir, a lot of
লট অফ
prizes.
বুঝছি, তোমার আব্বুর অনেক টাকা ইনকাম আছে আর সেই টাকা দিয়ে তোমার প্রাইজ কিনা দিছে না সব জায়গা
No,
থেকে?
sir. Actually, it's my achievement.
Your achievement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, would you please introduce yourself towards the viewers?
Okay, hello everybody and Assalamualaikum. My name is Jania Yara Inaya. I read in class 4 in BAF Shine College, Dhaka. My hobby is drawing, singing and dancing, whatnot. And in my future, I want to be a good human being and then be a doctor. And that's all about myself.
So, have you got many awards in your life?
Not at all, but
Almost
up to
20? Up to 20?
Yeah.
So, what are the awards in your life you have achieved?
I've achieved one gold medal, international
Gold medal?
Yeah.
From?
International Mathematical Olympiad,
MashaAllah.
and I achieved it in this month before some days.
Okay.
And I've achieved the bronze medal, and
Bronze?
yeah,
From?
from the Conquest Olympiad in India. And you know, it is International Olympiad. And I've gotten a lot of other prizes, and from Dhaka Regency, and some other things. And I've gotten about 10 to 15 medals and up to 20 creds. So, and I've gotten.
Do you have any experience about TV program?
Yeah, I have experience about TV programs such as in BTV, Channel I, and all this.
Really? Where do you feel more comfort? I mean, Channel I or BTV?
In BTV at all, I've gone to Channel I for 1 to 2 times, but in BTV, I go a lot of times.
Okay.